We are pleased to show you
The 2012 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, air conditioning, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, daytime running lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.